So last minute my makeup artist cancelled. Now I have to go to my friend's wedding. If you are also facing the same situation, don't worry. I have a quick makeup tutorial for you where I am going to tell you a very beautiful makeup for traditional or party wear. So why are we waiting? Let's just start. So I'm just taking a little bit of primer to prime my face and make a plain canvas. Applying this primer all over my face to get a plain canvas on which I can do a very beautiful makeup. Now I'm taking this foundation and going to apply it on my face. Actually, we always do eye makeup in the starting, but as I don't have eyeshadows like the powdery ones, but I have these pencils which I am using as eyeshadow. So I'll take them and it's very easy to apply them. So I'll be applying this pink eyeshadow or eye pencil as eyeshadow. Now doing it on another eye. Actually, it is very easy to do it with pencil because eyeshadow को merge करने में blend करने में बहुत time लगता है. And when I am doing it with this pencil, it's very easy. And because मेरे पास time ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो this is the best option I have right now. So now as this is done, now I'm going to do a little bit shimmery kind of thing which everybody is doing these days. So for that I'm using golden and silver glitters. Now I'll use the silver one on this so that I can create a white gold kind of glitter. Now quickly doing it on another eye. So let me just So now after I have done this, I'll apply liner for the final glamorous touch. And it's done. I haven't applied my face powder because I have to set that eye makeup thing. Now it's done, so now I'm going to set my makeup with this face powder. So now I'm going to apply blush, and as I don't have brush with me right now, so I'm going to use my fingers, which is the best tool. This blush is very pigmented, so I just need a little bit of quantity to make my cheeks look healthy. I have this very different kind of liquid highlighter, so I'm going to apply that on the top of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. Going to blend this with my blender. So now to complete this look, I guess highlighter is on place. Now to complete this look, I'll be applying this pink lipstick, which is a very beautiful color. But is this attire going with this makeup? I don't think so, and not even this watch. So I think these bangles will be a better fit. So let's go on with this. So now I think I'm good to go to my friend's engagement party. But I think there is one thing which is missing and which can make this traditional look or party look complete. So let's just apply that and complete the look. So now I'm good to go.